Welcome back to Star Aspect Designs, where we believe good design should feel like a deep breath and maybe turn a few heads while at it. I know it's been a while, but we're back. It's been a crazy few weeks, but today we've got something special, a beautiful, classic, and luxurious 4-bedroom house that blends tradition with modern living. This design respects tradition while embracing the comfort and style of contemporary living. It's luxurious without being too over the top, warm, elegant, and thoughtfully laid out to make every corner feel like home. On the outside, it carries classic, timeless charm that never goes out of style. You know, the kind of curb appeal that makes you slow down for a second look, and the exterior is also very appealing in terms of outdoor living. And once you step inside, you're greeted with bright, open spaces that flow effortlessly from one room to the next. The living areas are cozy and elegant, with a functional and stylish kitchen, and each bedroom feels like its own private getaway. The balance of old world charm and fresh contemporary touches make this home more than just a house. It's a lifestyle statement. So let's dive into the design. Well, before you start charging me interest for keeping you waiting. So this is the front of the house. That timeless look is what we were going for this exterior. And that's the main entrance. So let's move into the plan. So this here is a plan. I think let's look at it in totality first. I mentioned this house speaks more about comfort, luxury, and spacious living. So, from the main entrance that you saw, you enter into a lobby that then disperses you into the several areas of the house. You can take that turn and go into the cloakroom there. Then you have an office there, and then you move down the corridor towards the other bedrooms. So you have one bedroom here, another there, and they share this bathroom in between. And then you have this guest bedroom here that is en suite. And as you go further down, you have a door that leads into the garage. So once you get into the garage, you can get into the house through this door instead of going around again. And when you go down that corridor, you have a small lounge right at the entrance. They call this a conversation lounge, if you know what I mean. And then you have your dining area there. And then this door here leads into the master suite, where you have your bed space, your walk-in closet, and your bathroom. As you notice, this house is divided into 3. Basically, you have your private wing here, which is the bedrooms, and then another private wing here, which is the master bedroom. And I found it a good idea, if you're living this large, to separate the other bedrooms from the master bedroom. And then from the dining area, you get into the kitchen, and the kitchen is quite spacious with its own breakfast dining area and breakfast counter also, or a dining counter. And then you have your pantry right there. And of course, I know some of you will ask, you have the pantry with the laundry. Well, the laundry is back here near the garage. So this corridor here from the garage is where you have your washing machine, your ironing counter, and then a closet for storage. And then now from the kitchen and the pantry, then this door here leads to the kitchen yard, which you saw on the exterior model that has the sink and the gas gauge. And finally, you have your massive lounge right there. So if I'm talking living large for this house, you're indeed living large. So this is a very massive lounge. You can see from afar it has 2 3-seater sofas. It has a big L-shaped sofa, an armchair. You can arrange it however you like, really. And then this is a massive door. You can make it sliding and folding, or just sliding. The choice is yours, as I always say. And it leads you to the outside where you have a pergola, and then you have a veranda right there. And this veranda can also be extended to this, let me say gazebo, but it's not really, on the outside there. So as I stated, this house, number one, it's spacious, it's luxurious, it's comfortable, and it focuses on both indoor and outdoor living. So we can move into the individual spaces. As you can see here, this is the entry foyer, and then you have your small lounge right here, the conversation lounge. Then you have your dining area and your living room. And then off here you have your kitchen, and I told you the kitchen is quite spacious. That's what you have. And then you have this breakfast nook right here, and more storage space on the side there. And as we move further along, you can see the master bedroom, which is here, where you have your bed space, your walk-in closet, and then this here is the bathroom. And of course, luxury equals bathtub, his and hers, sinks, and then the toilet and the shower area. And then back here you will have your guest bedroom that is en suite, and then you have 2 more bedrooms. This is 1 and 2, and they do share this common bathroom in between. And then of course now this corridor, the distribution vestibule, has more storage with the shoe rack, a closet there, and also there's another closet within this main corridor here where you can store your toiletries and all that. And then this is the laundry area I was talking about as you get off the garage. And that there is the garage. And then here you have your small office near to your smallest office, which is the cloakroom. So if we look at this plan again in totality, that is what you have. This is a very classic house with the olden charm plus the modern comfort. So you have everything in one house. So that wraps up the tour of this classic meets modern 4-bedroom beauty. If you're already planning where the couch goes, well, congratulations. You've officially moved in, at least in your head, which is the same for me, if I'm being honest. So if this design has got you daydreaming, please let us know in the comments. Of course, no judgment for over-the-top deco ideas. We'd love to hear what stood out for you or what you would change about this design. So please let us know. Please hit that like button, share it with your build buddy, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Please remember, a dream home isn't measured in square footage. It's measured in comfort and the memories you make inside. It just happens that this is a large home. So thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming, keep planning, and as always, live large.